Upper door latches, what do? You're probably asking. Well, they're designed for fiberglass doors or carbon fiber doors with plexiglass windows to prevent them from flexing. You fit one side onto your door, another side gets fit to your roll cage or to your chassis, and this prevents from a door from flexing. The beauty about those, they can be opened and closed from both inside and out by pressing those two buttons. So they conform to MSA and FAA standards that you can open the doors from outside without your help. They improved. The bottom hook is now one piece. They are laser cut and bent from stainless steel. And also, if you don't like orange writing on the inside, those discs are removable and you can put any color in between. So when you buy them from me, what's included in the kit? Well, you get a pair of latches. I had few people asking me if they can have two. I thought they wanted two boxes, two kits, but no, they want a pair. So each kit is a pair for left and right. You also get two U-bends that you weld onto your chassis or to your roll cage. They're a bit longer than you need. Most likely you will chop them to about half the size. And also, the most amazing invention in the world, templates. They are so easy. I've made a tutorial when I fitted those to the GTR and to a Volvo. Go check it out. It's one of the links in the description. But effectively what you do, you align this thing where you want this. Ask your friend, family, your nan to put a sticker on the outside, remove everything and drill them. Is easy as that. Also, I believe it's worth mentioning, I did not design them, I'm not making them. I am basically a UK distributor for RCP, Racing Custom Parts. They're made in Poland. So if you are from Europe or any EU country, as much as I want to sell you, it's probably better to go direct to avoid taxes and all of that. So yeah, RCP, go check them out. Racing Custom Parts. So yes, guys, these are back for sale on my website. Price is 198 plus shipping. The link will be in the description. Let me know. Bye.